Go.
Hi everyone, welcome to the sprint review video for sprints 4 and 5. This video will look after all the contributions made by individual team members. So let's get started. Gnaneshwar has worked on creating the robot packages that are responsible for robot navigation and has integrated the robot's components together with the laser and its plugins. He faced issues with the robot estimator and robot controller initially, but was eventually able to fix them and was able to get the rover running. I was responsible for making the STF files for the models, that is for maze and robot. I've worked on creating the STF files by including links, joins for chassis, wheels, and cast wheel. I wrote code for laser integration with the rover. First, I faced issues with coding the plugins for laser, but eventually I figured it out and get the job done by making the rover know its path. Akanksha has worked on creating the Zacro file for the rover. She has also worked on creating the environment, which is maze, for navigation of the rover. Initially, she faced issues in creating the environment, but with the help of references, she could complete it later on. Ashik worked with creating URDF files and launch file to launch all the nodes of the rover, then integrating this with the laser in detecting the obstacle-free points and moving it in that path. Janardhan in Sprint 4 worked on creating a URDF file for the rover so that it will be easy to break the code and create package for rover modularity. But due to some issues in the launch file, since it was not working properly, the rover was not navigating. So again, in 5th sprint, he moved back to SDF file and created launch file for the existing rover in gazebo. And now in this, the rover was able to do the movement really well. Lastly, Maitri has worked on creating image sensor and creating package for it for rover modularity. She faced issues in coding the plugin but figured it out. Now Gnaneshwar will show you the burn down charts and the user stories.
Thank you, Charishma. Hi everyone. So this is the working of our robot. As you can see, we have the robot here, and this is the maze. The blue light that you're seeing is the light projected by the laser of the robot, which allows it to see where it can traverse. And as you can see, the rover is moving very slowly here. That is because of a small issue that we are facing. But this is only during the beginning of the navigation process. We will not have this problem like after some time. Like once the robot is set in the environment, it will eventually become faster and it will be able to detect the obstacles in front of it. So this is about the implementation of our project. And coming to the burn down charts and the Tiger board, the current standing of our sprint board at the end of sprint 5 is as shown. As you can see, most of the tasks are closed and we have done our best to close all the tasks. And the burn down chart for the at the end of sprint 5 is as shown. Yeah, so that's about it at the end of sprint 5, and that's about it from this video. Thank you.